Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan here with another Plan With Me video in my B6 social media planner. So this is a week on 2 pages spread from Annie Plan's Printables. And as you see here, there's the week and then the little note section and a habit tracker and then the sidebar here. So for this week, hold that out here, Monday, May 14th through to Sunday, May 20th. I'm going to be using the same kit that I used in my mini happy planner, which you saw in yesterday's video. I'll be using this succulent kit from EllePlan. And as you see, I've already used some of the full boxes and some of the functional pieces, and I want to try and make it work in this spread. All right, and I'm going to do something different again this week. I'm going to talk you through this, which I don't normally do. This won't be a sped up video. This won't be a voiceover. This will be all me in real time. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm looking at here for is the full boxes and where I'm going to place them. And if there's anything I need to cover up. Now I'm looking at the date covers and I'm wondering if they're tall enough to cover. There's going to be a little peeking through, but that's okay. Let's place down the date covers, which are gorgeous. I love all of EllePlan's kits, and I love that I can use them interchangeably in different planners. But I mean, you also know this about me, that I'm not the type of person to be limited to which planner stickers I use. Like if I like the formatting of a certain type of kit, then I will go ahead and purchase that kit. For example, I know there's one shop who she's just reformatted all of her Erin Condren kits. And because I know that the width of the boxes for Erin Condren is the same as the width of the boxes for the Happy Planner as well as a B6, then I don't mind buying an Erin Condren kit, even though I don't actually own an Erin Condren. So no big deal. Okay, now they do peek a little bit over the side, but you know what, I'm actually not too bothered. And then placing these washi strips, where do I want to place them? Do I really want to? Okay, let's place them here. I was going to put down some silver foil washi, but this might work really well. And it goes over just a little bit, so let's get my X-Acto knife here. I think this is one of the reasons why I do my videos sped up, is because partly I'm scrambling for where my supplies are. Probably like, why don't you just keep them right next to you? Yeah, if I were only that organized. But also another reason why I do the sped up and the voiceovers is because when I'm planning, I like to watch things like Downton Abbey in the background, or listen to podcasts and things like that, or my kids are screaming in the background and you can't hear anything. All right, so I'm going to place these full boxes. There's 4. So I kind of want to go 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Although Tuesday is normally a big filming day, but I can move it around a little bit. And I say Tuesday is a big filming day, but it's normally just the day that I have extra time to do so. And notice I am not lining them up inside the box exactly, because I just don't. I like the different, I'm wondering if I should have put that one there. I like the way that it looks when it's off center. And I know there's probably some of you out there that are like, it's not in the lines. But whatever. Okie dokie. I'm going to place that one off center on Saturday. Cool. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is, let's make sure that's still center. I'm going to put down the days I'm uploading my videos. So I'm going to do that with these. Yeah, these quarter boxes. Are there enough headers? No. So, place one on Monday. putting it a little off center because I know that I'm going to have an icon there. Tuesday. So Mondays are when my mini happy planner video goes up, and Tuesdays are when this video goes up, and Thursdays are, it used to be Wednesdays, but Thursdays can be when I put up my memory planning videos, and then my Fridays are normally for the B6 fitness food tracker. I did have all of my upload stickers. I have one upload sticker left, so I need more of those. That's okay. So I'll just use these hearts instead. Oh, no. I'm going to use those little icons instead to mark when I'm putting my videos up. I don't like the pink on pink, but it will have to do. Okay, so then my lists for filming. I'm going to use a header. I don't know if this is actually a header, but I'm calling it a header for Monday. Yeah, let's do that. And then I'm going to use the film and edit sticker from Green Darner Designs. Film and edit. I know I could write these in myself, but these are really cute. And then pink. Use the pink checklist. Cool. Alrighty, and then I might, like, when do I have time next week? So I always try anyway to probably film that day as well. My classic happy planner, my memory planner spread. Try to film on the Wednesday just because that is the day, or Tuesday is normally the day that I pick up the pictures. I get my pictures printed at Staples, and then it takes a couple of days for them to come through. That's okay. And then Friday I'm going to leave as is, and that I'm going to leave as is. Now, is there anything else that I want to add? I'm going to add a couple of hearts for what the hashtag is going to be for that day. My social media planner basically reminds me what Instagram posts I should be doing. And I say should be doing, but a lot of the times, I mean, I do have a little bit of a schedule as to what I go with, but it doesn't always work out that way. Wow, those are so not straight. And then Sunday and Saturday. Do a checklist there as well with today in green, and use the last of those headers. Maybe this is why I don't film this in real time, because you guys will be exposed to all of like my weird habits behind the scenes, but whatever. Cute. Okay, so the last thing I want to do, I wish I could cover this up, but I'm going to leave that for now. There isn't really much left of this kit, which I like. I like that I've used most of it. So what I'm going to do is, what do I have left? Okay, I'm going to use some of this washi, the silver foil washi, to mark off some thing on the side here. And what I keep track in this sidebar are my social media stats. That is so not straight. I cannot wait until we move into our house and I'm not filming off the side of my bed. I am basically filming on top of my bed. I've got a white table. I've got like a white tabletop that I put right on top of my bed, and that's where I'm filming from. Okay, so we'll put that stat there. Don't like how that icon looks on top of that. Right, like that. Okay, so this is where I keep track of my Instagram and my YouTube stats. So I don't have any more. We'll keep it as is and then do another header down here for YouTube or Instagram. So I think the top one will probably be YouTube, bottom will be Instagram. And it's nice to just keep track of how far I've come. The thing with social media stats though is I feel like some of us get a little bit too bogged down with, oh, I don't have enough likes, I don't have enough followers, but you know what? Just keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't compare yourself to anybody else. All right, here. So I think I pretty much used that kit up as best as I can. I'm gonna just add some silver foil washi to the bottom, and then I'm gonna fill it in. So if you haven't noticed already, I'm not a chronological planner. I do not go, I'm going to put stickers down on Monday and then Tuesday and then Wednesday, blah, blah, blah. I just, other than the date covers, I kind of go wherever. Kind of go where I see fit. Love the silver foil washi. This is from Pretty Cute Planner. Love all of her washi. See? How silver washi can add so much. All right, so now I'm just going to go ahead and fill that in. So I'm just going to go ahead and write in the dates, Monday, May 14th. I could use date dots, but I can't find one right now. I have to be really careful sometimes because I am terrible with dates, which is why I need a planner. 1920. And I'm like, that's right, right? Okay. So then Monday, filming the mini for May 21st. The B6 for May 21st. And the food for May 21st. And then it is also Mini Mania Monday for the Happy Planner. A day dedicated just for the Mini Happy Planner. So then I'm going to upload the Mini for May 14th. And it is, for me anyway, TN Tuesday. And I'll upload the B6 for May 14th, which is this video here. And then I'm going to film the memory keeping for May 7. And then it's midweek spread or Memby quote. Just realized I've forgotten to do this whole page, this whole section, but I'll just put down a checklist when I can. And then midweek as well. So I do 2 different midweeks, one for my B6 and then one for my Mini Happy Planner. The midweek for the Mini Happy Planner is actually the Thursday, just because that's how the Mini Happy Planner is organized. May 7. And then food for May 21st. And then it's Fun Corner or Follow Friday. And then I have, I'll do Instagram up here. Just and then YouTube here. And then it's Spread 'em Wide Saturday, Spread 'em Wide Sunday. And I leave that blank because that also depends how the rest of my week is going to go. So now I'm going to do a little header here. And then I'm going to just label it as little things because this is where I write down any ideas or anything that I have for videos or for which kits I'd like to use for certain weeks. It's just a very plain area. So then here, then I keep track of my PR posts here. So now I'm just going to pen myself. Green darner. And that's my oven going off. Trying to play around with my hand lettering a little bit, just trying to find my style. And Kinley's Doodles. I feel like I'm getting nervous by doing this real time and talking to you guys. Like my hand feels like it's shaking. And Tracy Reed. I almost wish I had stickers to fill in this corner, but you know what, that's fine. So use this one kit over 2 spreads and I'm actually not left with very much, so I'm quite happy about that. All right, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, again, please leave me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching and have yourselves a great day.